Most people think of mother cats when it comes to raising kittens. But what about the dads? From vanishing after mating to shocking instincts and strange behaviors, father cats are full of surprises. Get ready to uncover 10 unbelievable facts about the feline fathers you never knew existed. Number 1. One litter. Multiple dads. Did you know that a single litter of kittens can have more than one father? It's true. And the phenomenon even has a name: superfecundation. During a female cat's heat cycle, she can mate with several males in a short period of time. Her body then stores the sperm from each male, and multiple eggs can be fertilized by different fathers. The result? A litter of kittens that look nothing alike. Some might be fluffy, others short-haired, and they can even be completely different colors. It's one of the many reasons why kittens from the same mother can have such unique personalities and appearances. So next time you see a diverse litter, just remember, those tiny fur balls might each have their own dad. Number 2. Deadbeat dads of the cat world. When it comes to parenting, most male cats are completely absent. Unlike many animal species where fathers help protect or raise their young, tomcats usually disappear after mating. They don't stick around to help the mother or even acknowledge the kittens. In fact, they might not even realize they've become fathers at all. This behavior is deeply rooted in feline instincts. Male cats are wired to compete, mate, and move on. Their role ends the moment mating is over. And while the mother cat nurses, grooms, and teaches her kittens to survive, the father is off chasing his next opportunity. It may sound cold, but in the wild, this detachment gives male cats the chance to spread their genes far and wide. Number 3. Siamese exception. While most male cats steer clear of parenting, Siamese cats are known to break the mold. These unique felines sometimes form strong bonds, not just with their mates, but also with their kittens. Some Siamese fathers have been observed grooming, playing with, and even protecting their young, behaviors that are extremely rare among tomcats. This isn't guaranteed, of course. Just because a cat is Siamese doesn't mean he'll become a doting dad. But the breed does have a reputation for being more social and emotionally connected than others, which might explain the paternal streak. Owners of Siamese cats often report surprisingly affectionate male behavior, even toward kittens that aren't biologically theirs. It's a gentle reminder that, while feline instincts run deep, individual personalities and breed traits can lead to surprising exceptions. Number 4. Fathers of hundreds. A single unneutered male cat can father an astonishing number of kittens in his lifetime, sometimes hundreds. Unlike females, who have limited fertility windows and must carry and raise each litter, males can mate with multiple females year-round. If a tomcat has access to outdoor territory and encounters several females during mating season, he can easily sire dozens of litters within just a few years. Most of the time, he won't even know his offspring exist. This unchecked reproduction is a major contributor to cat overpopulation, especially in feral communities. That's why neutering male cats is just as important as spaying females. It prevents countless unwanted kittens and helps control stray cat populations. Left unneutered, a single tomcat can leave a huge genetic legacy behind, whether he intends to or not. Number 5. Insensitive to cries. When kittens cry out, their mother reacts instantly, licking, comforting, or checking for danger. But male cats? Not so much. Studies have shown that tomcats are far less responsive to the sounds of distressed kittens. In some cases, they ignore the cries completely, or react only after a noticeable delay. This difference in behavior highlights the lack of paternal instincts in most male cats. Unlike mothers, who are biologically wired to protect and nurture, fathers simply don't feel the same urgency. It's not about being cold or cruel, it's just nature. Their role in reproduction ends after mating, and caring for the young isn't part of their instinctive programming. So while a kitten's meow might melt your heart, don't expect dad to come running. Number 6. Not always friendly. Male cats aren't always gentle giants, especially around kittens. In fact, tomcats can be surprisingly aggressive. particularly toward offspring that aren't their own. In the wild, this behavior can serve an evolutionary purpose. By eliminating unrelated kittens, a male may push the female back into heat sooner, giving him another chance to mate. Even domesticated males can display aggression if they feel territorial or stressed. While some tomcats tolerate kittens, others may hiss, swat, or even attack them. This is why many breeders and shelters keep adult males separated from newborns, especially during the first few weeks of life. It's not that all males are dangerous, but their unpredictable nature makes early contact a risk. Until trust is built, it's better to be cautious when introducing a father cat to his own litter. Hey, are you enjoying the video? Why not support our channel by simply giving it a like? It helps us a lot and keeps the cat facts coming. Number 7. Killer instincts. As disturbing as it sounds, there are rare cases where male cats kill kittens, even their own. This behavior is more common in wild or feral environments, but it can occasionally happen in domestic settings too. Sometimes it's driven by instinct, especially if the tom doesn't recognize the kittens as his. Other times, it's a tragic case of mistaken identity. The kitten's small size and erratic movements might trigger a hunting response. In multi-cat households, stress or competition can also lead to aggression. While most male cats won't harm kittens, it's a risk that owners should be aware of, especially in the early days after birth. If a male cat hasn't been properly introduced or doesn't seem calm, it's best to supervise or keep him separated from the litter. Number 8. Do they even recognize them? Unlike many animals that recognize and protect their young, most male cats don't seem to recognize their own kittens. If a tomcat wasn't around during the birth and early days, chances are he won't form any bond with the litter, or even realize they're his. Without a shared scent history, the kittens may register as strangers, not offspring. That's why male cats often ignore, avoid, or even act aggressively toward kittens, especially in multi-cat households. However, there are exceptions. Some males that live with the mother and stay close throughout pregnancy and birth might show tolerance or even affection. But in general, father cats aren't wired to develop strong parental recognition. Their instincts focus on mating, not nurturing. So any bonding that does happen is more about environment than biology. Number 9. Strange mating behavior. Male cats have some of the strangest mating behaviors in the animal kingdom. It all starts with a loud, eerie yowl called caterwauling, a mating call that can be heard from blocks away. Once a female responds, things get even weirder. During mating, the male bites the back of the female's neck to keep her still, which may look aggressive, but is part of the normal process. Afterward, the female often reacts with sudden aggression, hissing, swatting, or running off. This odd ritual is partly due to the male's barbed anatomy, which causes discomfort for the female and triggers ovulation. The entire act is intense, loud, and over quickly, but it's crucial for reproduction. If you've ever heard a late-night feline screaming match, chances are you've witnessed this bizarre courtship in action. Number 10. Dad's genes matter. When it comes to a kitten's personality, the father's genes play a bigger role than you might think. While the mother handles all the early care, traits like boldness, friendliness, or fearfulness can often be traced back to dad. Studies have shown that kittens with sociable fathers are more likely to be trusting around humans, even if the dad isn't present during upbringing. Genetics influence everything from temperament to how a kitten reacts to new environments. So, if you've ever wondered why some kittens are outgoing while others hide under the couch, part of the answer might lie in who their father was. Even an absent tomcat can leave a lasting impression, not with his presence, but through DNA. Father cats might not win any parenting awards, but their role in the feline world is far more complex and surprising than most people realize. From strange mating rituals to unexpected genetic influence, tomcats leave a lasting mark, even without sticking around. While they may not cuddle their kittens or clean them after birth, they still shape the future of every litter in more ways than one. If you learned something new about the mysterious lives of cat dads, Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more feline facts, and share it with a fellow cat lover.